Right, next up we have this J9 according to the sign. Very professional. This museum doesn't have like a lot of passenger aircraft. There was a bit of at the front, but mostly just aircraft. I'm not gonna complain. Oh damn, look at that. This is like my dream. I love aircraft. Oh, finally, we don't have like I don't know, wagon wheels. Like, damn. J26, North American P-51D Mustang. Actually the best aircraft in the World War II. So, yeah. Landing gear compartments, upgrade, and then, yeah, just facts about it. Yeah, that's really it. D4, Hawker Heart. I've never heard of this aircraft before. Very interesting. I'm more familiar with like civilian aircraft, so modern aviation basically. So yeah, the usual facts you have. I probably shouldn't show that. Very nice. I got the bombs here I showed earlier. Here too. Very nice. There's actually one aircraft here I also didn't show. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. I usually don't talk in my videos. It's just like shorts and stuff. But yeah, it's cool. This isn't the pink. Here we go. L2. Oh yeah, it's that. That's the sweetest, like, yeah. So basically, it's technically got Swedish literally written all over it. LOL. Yeah. This is actually meant to be able to land on snow, water. Like, look at this. Snow, kind of like skis. And then we got this. Also the snow ski. Then we got these at the end. They're filled with air, basically, and yeah, they create buoyancy for the aircraft. So yeah, it's very nice. I love learning new stuff about aviation because honestly I've been learning about it for like the past 3 years, and it's nice to learn about it. The only really thing I have to learn is military aircraft and stuff, old aircraft too. So yeah, ammo right here. Yeah. The question: how the flip does the pilot see out of here? Yeah, and like how? Phone J1. Wait a minute. Didn't we see a J1 earlier? Phoenix 222 D3. I'm moving the camera upwardly. Yeah, it's very interesting. Very unsafe too. These old aircraft, I mean, who knows? It's kind of like how the Egyptians built the pyramids. Like, how the flip? Yeah. Then we got this one. Fokker is 6B. Very nice. yeah, very nice. Classic engines right here. Very big. Nowadays it's a lot safer. I promise you don't have to be scared. Like, I keep on telling people that and they just don't listen. Yeah, it's kind of like, oh, what we got here. Yeah, nice. I don't really know, to be honest. Oh, wait, it's cameras for some reason. Photo means like camera, so yeah, these are cameras, old cameras. I don't know why we see these inside a aviation museum, but yeah, see you guys later. Video showing how the aircraft like turns and yeah. And I'm not anything into that because I basically already know. Look at this. Also, both of these aircraft here have Swedish written all over them. See that? That's crazy, right? Anyway, see ya. Here we have a Saab 91 Sapphire. I don't know how to. I only know modern aviation, like I told you before. We're evolving down the cabin. See that? Bigger. Yeah. Oh no, that is big over there. Let's see what aircraft that is. Also, Swedish written all over them, like I said before. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Okay, I'm just gonna say SK12. I'm not gonna pronounce all this. German, but yeah, it's Swedish. I don't. Oh, that just says not to touch it. This is interesting. Let's see what aircraft this is. What kind of names are these? Like, what the fuck? Nice. Ooh, look at this. These are like the things which you put on the thing. You know, the pilot suit. I've actually always wanted to wear this. I had like this weird dream that one time I just go into a cockpit of an airplane, the pilot just give me one, then I walk around in school and just being like, hello everyone, I have officially became a pilot. Anyway, gotta go now. Alright, we got another aircraft which has Swedish written all over it. If you look down here, also on the other side of the wing over there, Regain Re 2000 Falco 1. Weird names these aircraft have. Okay, let's go around. I'll give you guys a full view. Not the Swedish 3 crowns thing ever, Bob. And it actually shows you, okay, Swedish written all over it. Very professionalist, but it actually shows you how it looks like inside the aircraft. I mean, we got the flaps here, pretty usual. Oh my god, unzoom. Yeah, flaps here, but then we got all this. Like, okay, to be honest, I haven't learned this yet. Like, yeah, very interesting, very professional. I've said professional like a million times in this video already, but just ignore it. Okay, well, I'll see when I am not interviewing, but showing the other aircraft. Sweden, I love Sweden. Also, for those who don't know, I'm actually not Swedish, but I've lived here for 8 years of my life, so. Okay, I'm just not gonna pronounce that. Very nice. Now, this aircraft is odd. Very odd. Very, very odd. Surprisingly, hold on, let me check the back, but it doesn't have Swedish written all it. That one does, and we're gonna see that soon. But this, oh, I was wrong. Of course, it's everywhere. Oh, and Swedish flag also on the back. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Swedish. Everything is so Swedish here. I mean, no wonder we aren't in Sweden, but just ignore that. Okay. This aircraft. Albatros B2. Yes, very normal. You got the kind of like wagon wheels again. LOL. Swedish. Everything here can't not be Swedish, as you can see. And yeah, again asking, how the hell did I see out of this? Like, huh? How? Look at that, the engine is the way. And then got the propeller and all that junk, old airplane junk. Like, what the flip? S1A. Very nice. I don't know. That one has Swedish. We cannot look at that. Oh, it's always on the wing. I'll tell you, always on the wing. Hold on. Look at that. Look at that. Always. Random stuff here. They used to have goggles. Isn't that weird? Oh, also Swedish. You may read all of this if you want to. I'm just gonna go slowly, but it's only if you know Swedish, because, well, it's Swedish. We're in Sweden. Very nice. Small aircraft. Hey, it's an upgrade from that. The landing gear, like, it literally just, it goes in a tube when you're landing, and then the tube goes up with the landing gear onto the wing back there when you want to put it up, which is just dumb. There's the bomb hatching above. Swedish. Let's see what sub 17. This one right there. And this one is the FFVS J22. I have no idea what these aircraft are. The only ones I've known is Swedish. Hold on, Swedish. Yeah, you know, actually we had a few airplanes that were like on the side of the highway when we were coming here. But the only one I know is the, for example, the subs, as you can see here. Those are the only ones I know. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's just a model. Okay. Bromma. That's an airport that I thought was closed, but turns out it wasn't. So it had like one flight a day. I uploaded a video about it. We got some war machinery here, as you can see that. Radio bus. I read that earlier. And then got this weird thing. I'm not gonna read this because I'm too lazy to. Yes. Okay, well, I will go to see another aircraft. There's so much to check out here. I'm honestly going crazy, and that's not normal for me. Yeah.